Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Natasha Ziana Walida from UIN Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang. Today, I'd like to present about my research, high school students' argumentation, improving mathematical induction based on mathematical abilities. There are several reasons for me to do this research. First, argumentation is one of the important goals to be achieved in mathematics education. Why? Because when students want to convince themselves or others of the truth of a mathematical statement, so that they will build their arguments or ideas individually with relevant evidence for those statements. So they will do argumentation. Argumentation that made by students can be built by several components, as mentioned on the second point. Also in this study is McNeil and Krejcik's argumentation components. The four components proposed by them are turned out to be effective to highlight students' argumentation as a form of knowledge production to make conclusion. There are including four components: claim, evidence, reasoning, and rebuttal. The third is argumentation and proof were related and can be used to prove the truth of statement in proving mathematical induction. Student will build a set of arguments correctly and logically when carrying out all the proof processes in mathematical induction, which consists of the initial step and the inductive step. Then, mathematical abilities are closely related to the diversity of students' argumentation that they use in proving mathematical induction. Students with low, medium, or high mathematical abilities can provide different ways in proving mathematical induction. Therefore, this study was done and presented to analyze this relationship both of them. We go the research method. The subject are 6 high school students in Surabaya who have low, medium, and high mathematical abilities. The instruments is a written test which contains the problems in proving mathematical induction about sequence and series at the third level. McNeil and Krejcik's argumentation components used to analyze students' argumentation in proving mathematical induction based on students' mathematical abilities. And the result and discussion, there are 2 students who have low mathematical abilities. The first subject is L1, can provide evidence in the form of a statement on the claim is true for n equal to 1 in the initial step. But he didn't complete the inductive steps, so that cannot provide the other components. Meanwhile, the second student who has low mathematical abilities, namely L2, can provide both of the evidence and reasoning in the initial step and the inductive step completely. We go on the second type of subject with medium mathematical abilities, namely M1, can fulfill all argumentation components, such as evidence and reasoning for supporting the claim in the problem given. He did the initial step and the inductive step and give the complete answer. But for the second student who has medium mathematical abilities, namely M2, also do the same with M1, that he can provide evidence and reasoning in his argumentation. We go on the third type of mathematical abilities is high mathematical abilities. There are 2 students who have high mathematical abilities, namely H1 and H2, can provide evidence and reasoning in their answer for supporting the claim on the problem given. But rebuttal isn't provided because their answer related to claim which is given. On this slide, conclusion, based on the result and discussion previously explained, it could be concluded that high school students who have medium and high mathematical abilities can bring up claims, evidence, and reasoning in their argumentation when they are proving mathematical induction. Meanwhile, high school students who have low mathematical ability can prove mathematical induction but only bringing up claims and evidence in their argumentation. So, thank you for being here today. I really appreciate that you took the time to be here and listen to my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.